vehicle park level surface. Remove the dipstick and wipe. This is the maximum level. This is the check with the dipstick. If you need to more, add more. Otherwise, don't going to add lot engine oil here. You ending with lot of when you're going to top up until maximum level. This vehicle has a pink color coolant. Don't going to mix up the color. Don't going to add green color or other color. Top up your engine bay. This is Vauxhall Corsa 2012 model. I'm going to show you how to top up inside the bonnet. If you need to open the bonnet, you need to go to the passenger door. This is bonnet latch. You need to pull. Lift up little bit. There is another latch inside. This is the stopper. Right, it's open now. This is brake fluid reservoir. If you need to top up, you need to add only DOT 4. Don't go into mix up other grade of DOT 2 or 3. Only add DOT 4. And this reservoir has a minimum level here, maximum level here. If some reason your brake fluid level low, check your brake pad. It could be time to do the brake pad. If it not, check around the tire area. If any leak, sort out the problem. This shouldn't be low. However, if you need to top up, you need to top up only DOT 4. This is small engine, 1 liter 3-cylinder. Basically, very rarely you can see the 3-cylinder engine. However, this is the 3-cylinder engine. This is dipstick. If you need to check the oil level, make sure vehicle park level surface. Remove the dipstick and wipe. This is the maximum level. This is the low level. Install. Remove. You can see it's here. That means it's in a correct level. And also, if you need to top up engine oil from here. When you're going to top up, make sure top up correct grade of oil. If you mix up the grade, it's not good for your timing chain. When you're going to top up, make sure add correct engine oil grade. And also when you're going to add little by little bit. Check with the dipstick. If you need to more, add more. Otherwise, don't going to add lot engine oil here. You ending with lot of engine oil inside the engine. After that, you ending with smoke. Beware of that problem when you're going to top up. This is coolant expansion tank. When it's hot, don't going to open this cap. You ending with burn yourself. Beware of that one. This is the maximum level, low level underneath here. When you're going to top up until maximum level. This vehicle has a pink color coolant. Don't going to mix up the color. Don't going to add green color or other color coolant. Only add pink color coolant. Do you know what is this symbol? This is screen washer. You can add screen washer until here. No level this bottle. You can add until come out from the mount. If you need to jump start, this is the negative line. When you lift up this flap, inside positive. Don't going to mix up negative and positive, ending with another problem. If you're looking engine bay fuse box, this is the engine bay fuse box. You can lift up from here. You can check out. You can change the fuse inside here. You know how to check your engine bay. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow our videos. You can get a lot of useful tips and video like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.